close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna.
This is what I want to show you guys. It's an ultra conditioning heat cap. It's great. They say it's great for conditioning and stimulate the scalp to help promote healthy hair growth and help restore damaged hair. After use with a conditioning, your hair is left feeling soft and manageable, which is true. Affordable buy. I did not regret buying it at all, and it's worth the money. And I took it off a box, and this is how it came, like that. I think they have them in other colors though. So this is the cap, and in here we got show you this first. Is the charger. It's attached, so you have this that you regulate the amount of heat that you want. Yeah, you can lower it, you can go higher. It depends on you how high you want. So how you're pushing that, you can feel the heat on your head. So if it's too hot, then you can just turn it back right down. So this is how it came. And it's quite, this cord is quite long. So, and the inside of it, it's, that's how the inside look. There, yeah. And we got this, which is adjustable. So now, as you have seen, I've already applied my treatment on my hair, and I have my shower cap on for it not to mess up this cap. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop that, plug that on, get it ready to go on my head. And okay, so now I switch it on. As you can see, its socket is on, but there it's off, not on yet. See, lights come up. So I put it on the first side, and now I'm putting this right on my head. And there. So put it up a bit. So this one goes like this. So it's time to take it off. So before we take it off, we just go there, switch that off. Yep. And this there, and whoo, oh boy, man, whoo. Will be good in the winter, isn't it? It's so nice, so soft. It's like I just relax it. But truth be told, and off on the wall. So I'll leave it until it's cooled down. Then I put it back in a box, and that's it. So if it's something that you like to do, I think it's for all type of hair. If it's something that you are interested in having, just go grab yours. That is all anyway, ladies. So I'll leave the link down below and description of everything, and the link of where you can get yours. I got mine from Amazon, so but I've checked it out. I saw they're selling them at eBay. Well, it's more cheaper on Amazon. I think it's £25 in Amazon, and I saw on eBay was for 45. So that's a massive difference. So, but I'll leave the link for where you go get yours. So thank you, ladies, and thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and if you are a new subscriber, welcome to my YouTube family, and I welcome you, and I hope that you will stay and love what I do. Thank you.